Hello guys, so today it's another vlog, and today's vlog guys, I will answer a question for one of the comments from our regarding CV1 and Sony CV1 connected to SK400 Mark 2 or Mark 2V. Ayan, because she asks, Jacqueline Ong. Yan, shout out kay Jacqueline Ong. So she asks, "Hi po, can you show how you set up and connect Sony Zv-E10 for SK400 and trigger?" And yeah, more power forever. Thank you for the video. And I think she have the Sony Zv-E10. So this is the Sony Zv-E10. Ayan. So, yan, nakalak sa aking mukha. This is the Sony Zv-E10. Ayan. And we have the trigger from Godox SK400 Mark II V, which is the XT16. So this is the trigger that's included on the XT16. So I'm gonna show you the setup, guys, and settings also from the SK400 and the settings from the Godox XT16. So without further ado, but again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So yan, load sa iyo for Miss Jacqueline Ong. Yan. This is vlog is for you to answer the question. Again, we have the CV10 and the XT16. So I'm gonna show you now the settings. Okay, guys, for the setup, first I point the this diode to group A. So I will set also the lights for the Godox in the group A. So this channel I put down all from 1, 2, 3, 4 until 4. Let's go on down and yeah, that's it. You need to down. And make sure when you put in the camera from Sony Zv-E10, yeah, this part is facing from the camera. It will be like this. Yeah, this is the hot shoe. And yeah, the hot shoe, this one, this point, this little point. So make sure that it's facing on the camera screen. Yeah, like this. Next is um the Godox SK400 settings. And guys, for about the Godox SK400 setup, first, okay, your channels already all go down. I'm using channel 1. Then the group. So we'll change the group from C. Okay, then we go group A. Yeah, and that's it, guys. That's the only settings that you need. Make sure if you are using channel 1 in group A for your trigger, then make sure you are already in the group A and channel 1. So let's try to test the light. And guys, see, it's totally working fine with the SK400 Mark B. Ayan, so this is the light. This is the trigger. At so yan guys, we already connect the XT16 or the trigger for the SK400 Mark III, and yeah, with the Sony Zv-E10. I didn't do any settings from the camera direct. I just put the trigger and done. And so it's worked perfect fine with the Godox SK400V and the Sony Zv-E10. So again, for Miss Jacqueline Ong, this vlog is for you. So I hope na clear yung pagkakaan natin ng channel at saka group ng ating camera. So ayan, if you can, ayan, kung may katanungan ka pa, pwede mo ako DM o direct message sa uh, my Facebook account or Instagram account. So ayan, hanggang dito na lang guys. Again, if you want to know more about the price and availability of the SK400 Mark II V and the Sony Zv-E10, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay. Wala.